Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you clicked on this video because you're looking at trying tape ins and you want to get into doing it by yourself to achieve a pretty natural look, you're in the right place. Keep watching. Alright, so I kind of already started, and I just parted the front part into like if I was gonna do a U-part wig, and then the back is parted into like a V shape. I went on and pre-washed all the tapes because they definitely have kind of like a texture, and once you wash them it helps to change the texture of it and make it like it gets rid of that like film that's on there. So I have like this brown highlighted balayage type color. This is 100 grams, and then I have this one which is like balayage like baby doll pink, and this is 50. I really just got this one to do like peekaboo highlights, mainly in the front and then just a few maybe on the sides. The brown balayage one came, and it's like a lot thicker now. Like this is giving like a good 1.5 bundles, I would say. Good 1.5 bundles, but it's 100 grams, so this depends on how thick your hair is and what you're going for. When my hair is straight, it can be kind of it feels kind of like this, so I'm like, this is good. But the brown balayage came from Doris. This is the brand right here, and they have tape ins, clip ins, but as you can see on the cover here, it's primarily, you know, this type of texture. But when my hair is straightened at home silk pressed, it turns out pretty okay. So I'm gonna go, like, once this is all done, I'll flat iron over that hair as well, and it'll blend just fine. So with the Doris hair, I got this little information packet. I ordered 2 different packets, so when you order them, it comes with a bundle of 50 grams. So then each packet came with a set of lashes. It also came with its own set of extra tapes just in case you need them. And then the pink balayage hair came from You Gorgeous Hair. Another informational packet, and then a scrunchie. So they have a lot of different colors to choose from. They both have different colors to choose from. It takes 2 to do 1 piece. So you're gonna rip the non-sticky piece off of here, put it underneath a really thin piece of hair, and then take one and sandwich your real hair in between, and then that will be 1 tape. I just recorded myself doing this piece and it cut out, so here it is. Okay, so I parted another little skinny piece. I got hair, and I can put it in a bun, Okay, so I just put one right here. See how flat it is? Like, what? And then you can move it and put it in a ponytail. So I left a little bit of hair out right here so it covers. Oh wait, part of it is braided back here, so I'll come back and actually cover the tape later, but it's super flat. Can go behind my ear, no problem. I feel like I should add a pink one right here. No? Okay, so I just want to give you guys like a quick ponytail check, because tell me it's not flat. Tell me it's not giving celebrity stylist. Like, where can I get booked? How can they find me? I'm just saying. You know, if you know a celebrity in need, tell them to call. Because who doesn't need a slicked pony like that? Come on. I just want to say, so I am done with 1 pack of hair right now. This is 50 grams in my hair right now, so it is pretty full. With your hair in between it, like this is 50 grams, and somebody with thinner hair will probably be fine. Like, look at that. Somebody would probably be fine with 50 grams. My hair, although it flat irons really smooth, it is still, I have a lot of hair, and I have thick, coarse hair, which is amazing, but I need 100. And now that the pink is like covered up with another one, it's peekabooing. It's giving the peak, and that's what I wanted. So I probably won't use another one until I get to like in the face framing region of the tips. Okay, so the thing I love about these the most is like, so I'm used to doing like quick weaves and stuff like that. So when I would do quick weaves, you know, you gotta measure it out. You gotta place your track, well, you gotta glue your track and try not to get it stuck to part of the hair. Then you have to place your track, and by that time you like, ooh, you start to feel cute, you know, just like how I thought I was, you know, I was like, you start to feel cute. And then you go to do like this, whole last 3 rows slides out. Like, so the best part about these is if you apply on top of one another how you're supposed to, like you can get right to feeling cute. Okay, so I think I'm putting in the last piece. That's my little leave out for a high ponytail. I'm gonna take that down. Take this down. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to do some blending or something. This is not how it's gonna look, I promise. My leave out looks crazy right now. You know what? I think I'm gonna add a few pieces within my leave out because I'm not using glue. You could do that. So I'm gonna take, so like if I have a middle part, right? We want a piece to be between the middle part. So I'm gonna do 1, well, like 2 right here. Okay, so after this piece, I only have 1 more set left. So I have to try and figure out where is the best place to put it, because right now I don't know. So I'm gonna make a place for the last one. We don't leave hair left behind. We use it all over here. So okay, so I have it to where I can do like a little curved side part and not be showing anything, but you can still see the potential. Like, look at how flat it is, besides the fact of my leave out sticking up. Let me do a high what's it called, high ponytail test. braids or whatever else, it's gonna take a night for it to flatten at the scalp. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is, first of all, make sure my part is straight, and then I'm gonna cut my layers. All right, so this is the difference. One side is done, the other side is not. So it just looks a lot more like natural when you can, the sides, like this is just stiff. All right, you guys, so it is the next day. This is the finished look. Everything is done. If this is something that you're interested in doing by yourself, let me know if you decide to try it. Tag your Instagram below in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm here for you. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you a ponytail before we head out. Just so you know, it's possible. It is possible. Look at it. I guess I was right in the beginning when I said I could put it in a bun, because you can. Because you can. All right. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this video was helpful in any way. Help your girl out. Like, comment, subscribe, add me on Instagram. All the information will be in the description box below. I appreciate you guys.